Hello dear students, good evening. Welcome to Maths IPE classes by NEET World. So now we will be having a discussion on Maths-2B, that is precisely we will be discussing integration. In the previous classes we have started with integration. Already we have done with the chapters of circles and parabola. We have started with integration. When pertaining to integration, the methods of integration, working rules, everything we have told you, and certain important formulas for LAQs we have discussed in the last class. So let us revise that again and let us solve the questions that are there, and let us see the other types of questions that are there. Okay. So I already told you how to download the soft copy of this. Okay, please go through the shorts which we have made to download the soft copy. You can go through the complete procedure where we have discussed there. Okay, how to download the soft copy. Okay, all right. Now okay, this is the question which we will be solving. Okay, this is the question which we will be solving. But before that, let me discuss about the, let us revise about the topics which we have discussed in the previous class. Okay. So when I talk about that, see here, I told you there are certain ways or certain types of solving the question. So first, if it is given like this, 1 by a cos x plus b sin x, okay, plus b sin x, if it is given, okay, 1 by a cos x plus b sin x, if it is given like this. So see here, a cos x plus b sin x is given. Okay, another thing is a cos x plus b sin x plus c, if it is given like this. Okay, if it is given like this, or another type. Okay, here numerator is 1. Okay, integral of, if dx is given, integral of dx is given. Another type is if it is given a cos x plus b sin x divided by what is it? What is it? C cos x plus what is it? D sin x dx. Another type that we discussed is a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Here what will happen? Constant will come. Another thing is here down denominator also you will get what is it? Constant. C cos x, c is already done, right? So d cos x plus e sin x plus e sin x plus f. Okay, dx is given. So these two are of similar type. What we have to do here? I told you here you have to put some values, that is you have to do some substitution. Put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Okay, put tan x by 2 is equal to t. So then what will happen? If you put tan x by 2 is equal to t, you will get substitute other values, that is substitute, you will substitute sin x as what? You will substitute sin x as 2t by 1 plus t square, 2t by 1 plus t square. You will put sin x is equal to 2t by, I hope it is visible clearly. Okay, so let me zoom it again further. It will be 2t by 1 plus t square. Let me check. Let me check here. Okay, this is fine. Now see here, 2t by 1 plus t square, then what will happen to cos x? Cos x will be 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Now what will happen to dx? Dx will put it as 2 times dt by 1 plus t square. We will substitute here and we will solve the question accordingly, and we will use those 9 formulas are there. Based on the types, we will apply one of the formula and we will get the answer. Okay, now these two types, these two are of similar type. What you will do? Suppose this is the thing I am talking about. So here what you will do? You will take the numerator is equal to d by dx of what is it? Denominator plus what is this? You have to write the constant, right? This will become what is it? So numerator will be equal to, see, numerator will be equal to what is it? A times, that is constant, a times d by dx of denominator plus b times denominator. Okay, b times denominator. This is one type. Here constant is there, similar thing, but you will add the constant also. So this is what numerator will be equal to a times d by dx of denominator plus b times denominator plus what is this, plus you will write another constant capital C. Okay, this is how you will solve the question. You have to do these values, that is you have to substitute the numerator like this and substitute the numerator like this for this type, third type and fourth type. Clear? So there are similar types. So these two you will solve it in one method and these two type you will solve it in one method. That's it. This is what we discussed in the previous class. Now we have solved one question based on this also and based on this also. Let us solve one more question which is based on this, that is fourth type. So if I talk about the importance, this is of highest importance. This has been asked multiple times in the examination, this type of question. So let us solve this question. Okay. So see here, when we talk about the question, so this is of the type which I discussed now. These of which type? So if I talk about this, see here, if I talk about this question, see here, 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. This is what they are asking. So let us solve this question, friends. So see here, let us solve this question. Observe carefully. Let me do the partition so that will be easy for us. So see here. So see here. So let us take up the question. What is the question that they have given? The question that is given is integral of what is it? Where is the question? Just a minute, let me take up the question. Integral of 2 sin x, this is what we have. The question is like this. Okay, I hope it is visible. The question is like this. Integral of what is it? 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4. 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4. Okay, divided by, this should be integral sign, correct? No, this should be, entire thing should be integral. So integral of 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 divided by what is it? Divided by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5. 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. Okay, plus 5 dx. So if I talk about the solution here, first of all, these of which type? These of the type, what is that? A cos x plus b sin x plus c divided by what is it? Divided by d cos x plus e sin x plus f. For that what you will do? You will put the value for the numerator as a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator plus c. Correct? No? So let us do that. Here solution. Okay. First let us write down given integral is. That is the given question. Let us write down given integral is. Okay. Integral of what is it? Integral of 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 divided by what is it? 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. Okay, let us write this as equation 1. We have to find this one. Now let us write the numerator. Okay, so 2 sin x. Okay, 2 sin x. Let 2 sin x by plus 3 cos x plus 4 divided by what is it? 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. That is only we have to take numerator, right? Let us take only the numerator. No need to write this. Correct? No. So no need to write this. Let us take only the numerator. So we have to take only the numerator. See, let us take it here. 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 will be equal to what? Will be equal to what is it? A, constant a into d by dx of this numerator or denominator? It is the denominator. That is 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus b into denominator is what? 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus c. This is what we have. Let this be equation 1. 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus b times 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus c. This is d by dx of this one. Okay. Now what will happen if I write here that this be equation 2? Equation 1 is already written. Now see here, this will be equal to, so see here, if I write it 2 sin x plus 3 cos x, okay, 3 cos x plus 4 will be equal to what? A into d by dx of this is what? So a into d by dx of this. So see here, this will become what? A into d by dx of this. So this will be d by dx of 3 sin x is 3 cos x, okay, d by dx of 4 cos x is minus 4 sin x d by dx of phi is 0 plus b into what is it, b into 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus c. This is what we have. Now this is what we have. Now what we have to do, just multiply the constants, that is a, b and c with whatever is given. So let us write it here, 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 is equal to a into, like similarly how we do solve the previous question. Okay, 3 into a, that is 3a cos x minus 4a sin x. Here this will be what? This will be 3b sin x plus 4b cos x plus 5b, okay, plus 5b plus c, 5b plus c. Now let us write them in terms of the coefficient. Okay, so here we will write it. So 2 sin x, okay, we have to take what here, again the different color. So this is what, it will be 2 sin x, correct? It will be, see here, it will be 2 sin x plus what is it, 4 cos x, 3 cos x, right? 3 cos x plus 4, this should be equal to what? This should be equal to, let me write just cos x, okay, let me write the coefficient of cos x here, cos x plus, let me write coefficient of sin x, okay, let me write it like this, okay. So coefficient of cos x is having what, 3a is there and 3b is there, okay, not 3b, plus 4b is there, 3a plus 4b is there. Cos x is having 3a plus 4b, okay, 3a plus 4b. Now what about sin x? Sin x, what is the coefficient? Minus 4a and plus 3b, minus 4a plus 3b, minus 4a plus 3b, minus 4a plus 3b. Okay, remaining what is left? We are having 5b plus c. Okay, remaining constants are plus 5b plus c. Okay. Now on comparing the coefficients, see, on comparing the coefficient, now we have to write down on comparing coefficients, on comparing coefficients, comparing coefficients of what? Coefficients of cos x, coefficients of sin x and the constant. What we will get? Cos x, if you consider, we will get it as, what is it? 3a plus 4b is equal to 3. 3a plus 4b is equal to 3. And what about this one? Sin x, if you consider, we will get it as what? Minus 4a plus 3b. Minus 4a plus 3b will be equal to what? Minus 4a plus 3b will be equal to what? What is it sin x? It is 2. Now let us talk about the constants. So constant is what? 5b plus c will be equal to what? 5b plus c will be equal to 4. Okay, 5b plus c will be equal to 4. Now let us solve these two equations. Okay, so let us solve these two equations so that we will get the value of a and b. Then we will get the, eventually we will get the value of c. So to solve this equation, there are various methods. Let us follow the simplest method, that is, let us eliminate b. Okay, let us eliminate b. So for that, what we will do? This equation will multiply by 3 and this equation will multiply by 4. So we will get what? This implies we will get it as what? So we will get what? We will get it as 3 3s are 9a, 3 4s are 12b is equal to 3 3s are 9. Now 4 4s are minus 16a plus 4 3s are 12b. This is 4 2s are 8. Correct? So this will become what? Plus. This is minus and this is minus. So eventually 16 plus 9 is 25a and this would be what? Cancel. 9 minus 8 is 1. So a will be equal to what, friends? A will be equal to 1 by 25. We got a is equal to 1 by 25. Now we will put a is equal to 1 by 25. Okay, we will put a is equal to 1 by 25 in equation, in this equation. Okay, put here. Okay, put a is equal to 1 by 25 in this equation. Okay, 3a plus 4b is equal to 3, friends. 3a plus 4b is equal to 3. So 3a will be equal to what? So 3a. So 3 into a is, that is 3 by 25 plus 4b is equal to 3. Now what I can write this? So 4b will be equal to what? 4b will be equal to 3 minus 3 by 25. 3 minus 3 by 25, correct? So 4b will be equal to 3 minus 3 by 25. So 25 3s are 75. 75 minus 3 is 72. Okay. So b will be equal to 72 by 25 into 4. This is what we will have. Now 4 ones are, okay, 4 ones are, this is again 4 ones are 32, 4 8s are 32. So this will be what? B will be, this implies b will be equal to 18 by 25. Okay, this implies b will be equal to what? 18 by 25, correct? So this is what we will get. B will be equal to 18 by 25. Okay, b will be equal to 18 by 25. That is what we will get. Now we got a, we got b. Let us put the value of b here. Okay, now take this. Okay, 5b plus c is equal to 4. Now we can put the value of b. Put b is equal to B is equal to what? 18 by 25. We will get the value of C. So 5 into B, 5 into 18 by 25 plus C is equal to 4. Plus C is equal to 4. So this is what? 5 ones are, 5 5s are. So 18 by 5 plus 4, C is equal to 4. So C will be equal to what? 4 minus 18 by 5. Okay, 18 by 5. If you take LCM, this will be what? 5 4s are 20, 20 minus 8 is what? 20 minus 18, sorry, 20 minus 18 is what? 2. So C will be equal to 2 by 5. Okay, so we got the value of B, okay, we got the value of B, and also we got the value of, what is that? We got the value of A. Okay, we got the value of A, B and C. Okay, now we got the value of A, B and C, correct? Now we got the value of A, B and C. Now see here, now what I can do? Now we got the value of A, B and C. Now, now we got the value of A, B and C. Observe carefully, you can take the screenshot. Okay, observe carefully, you can take the screenshot here. Now what will happen? If I talk about this, this is what we will get. Now see here, now see here, we got this, correct? Now we got this. So A, B and C we got it. Just we have to put the value of A, B and C in the equation, what is it? In the equation 2. Put the value of A, B and C in equation 2. Okay, then we have to just integrate, okay, based on the formula that we have to apply. Okay, now let us go to the next step. Let us go to the next step, that is there. So see here, this is what we have, this is what we got. Okay, so we got the value of A, B and C. See, this is what we got. A, B and C we got the value. Now let us go to the next step, okay, where we have to do, where we have to put the values. Okay, let us take the next page. So and let us split that as well. 2p. Okay, now see here, this is what we have. Okay, now what is that we have? Put values of A, B and C in equation 2. In equation 2. So what is that equation 2? This implies what will happen? This implies what will happen? What is that equation 2? We will get 2 sin x. What is that? 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 3 cos x plus 4. Okay, plus 4 will be equal to what? Plus 4 will be equal to A is what? A is 1 by 25 into d by dx, into d by dx of what is that? D by dx of 2 sin x, not 2 sin x, this should be, what is that? We have denominator, derivative of denominator, that is, what is the denominator that we have? Denominator is 3 sin x plus 4 cos x, 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5, okay, d by dx plus 5 plus b is what? B is what? B is the, what is the value of b we got? We got the value of b as 18 by 25. 18 by 25 into denominator. Denominator is what? 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus what is that we have? Plus c. See what is the value we got? 2 by 5. This is what we have. Now what will happen to the integral? Now equation 1. Now equation 1 becomes, that is the integral will become. So equation 1 becomes integral of, what is that? What is that integral will become? Integral is what? 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. We have to write each and every step if we have to get full marks. Divided by, what is that? We have denominator is what? 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. Okay, this will be equal to, so this will be equal to, I'll write it here. Okay, this will be equal to, given integral, this will be equal to what? Let me write it here. This will be equal to d by dx of 1 by 25. What is this? Numerator value we have to put. Okay, 1 by 25 into d by dx of, what is that? We have 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 divided by, what is that we have? We have denominator is what? 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5. Separate and divided, that's it. Now this is what? B is what? B is 18 by 25 into denominator is what? Denominator is, so this is what? 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 divided by, what is that we have? We have 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus c is what, friends? C is 2 by 5. If you divide it, you will have what? You will have here 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5. This is what we will have. So this is what? This is integral of this dx. I can write dx here. okay, integral of this dx, okay, integral of this 1 by this dx, okay, this is what we will have. Now see here, if you observe this, this is d by dx of, that is you can write this as integral of f dash of x by f of x is nothing but log f of x, okay. This is what I can cancel this will become 1, okay, this will become 1. So in the next step what I can write, 1 by 25, this will become what, see, observe here carefully, I am writing each and every step in detail. So see here, this will become what, this will become 1 by 25, okay. I will integrate this, actually I will integrate this I can directly integrate now. So this will become what, 1 by 25 times, 1 by 25 times log of denominator is what, denominator is 3 sin x, what is it, 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5, okay, plus b is what, plus b is 18 by 25, okay. Integral of 1, if I cancel everything this will be 1, integral of 1 dx is x, 18 by 25, 18x by 25 plus this will be integral of, this is still left, okay, 2 by 5 divided by, what is this I have, 1 by 3 times sin x plus, what is this, this is 4 cos x plus 5, 4 cos x plus 5, this is what I have dx, okay. Let this be equation 3, okay, let this be equation 3. Now see here, we have already integrated this one is also integrated, this one is also integrated. This is, for this one you have to write the reason, therefore you have to write integral of, very important, integral of f dash of x by f of x is nothing but equal to log of mod f of x plus c. This you have to write the reason, mandatory you have to write the reason, okay, then only you will get the marks for this one, this step, okay, you have to mandatorily write the reason for this, clear. Now see here, observe carefully, okay, now observe carefully. Hope it is visible to, everything is visible, okay, fine. Now let us take this one, let us take this integral. Now let us write, now integral of, okay, 2 by 5 you forget it, now integral of 1 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx, okay. Here what you have to do, this is of the form, the first two types, that is 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus, what is that, plus c, okay, this is of that type. What you have to do, put tan x by 2 is equal to t, okay, put tan x by 2 is equal to t, okay, substitute sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Similarly cos x is equal to what, friends, cos x is equal to, you have to put it as 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, okay. And what about dx will be equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Now putting these values, what you will get, okay, now we will get, this will become, this implies this will become 1 by 3 into sin x is what, 3 into 2t by 1 plus t square, okay. What about cos x, 4 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, okay, 1 plus t square plus 5, okay, into dx is what, dx is 2 dt, okay, by 1 plus t square, by 1 plus t square, this is what I have, okay, this is what I have. Now see here, if I take the LCM, what I will get, this will be, see, this entire thing inside, this entire thing will be within the bracket, this entire thing will be within the bracket, okay, 1 plus t square is outside, this entire 1 plus t square is outside, this 5 will be here. Now if I take the LCM, what I will get, okay, so see here, this will become 1 by 3 to the 6 by 1 plus t square plus 1 minus t square, what is this, 4 is there, right. So this will become what, this will become, so observe very carefully, this will be 60 by 1 plus t square will be common for everywhere, see, this will be 1 plus t square, this is 4 into 1, so this is 4 minus 4t square, okay, 4t square, this is what, plus 5 into 1 plus t square, 5 into 1 plus t square is 5 plus 5t square, okay, this is what I have, this entire thing, okay. In the numerator we will have 2 dt into, what is this, 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square integral. So see here, 1 plus t square I can cancel here, so I will be left with what, I will be left with, this is the thing I will be left with, this I can write it as equals to integral of 2 dt by, let us write the t square, 5t square minus 4t square is t square, so it is t square plus 60, t square plus 60, what is that I have, 5 plus 4 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9, correct na, 5 plus 4 is 9, this is what I have, t square plus 60 plus 9, 2 dt is there. So let us go to the next page, friends, let us go to the next page, 2 dt by t square plus 60 plus 9, so this is what I have. Let us go to the next page. So if you go to the next page, so this is what we have, integral of 2, let me take it out there, 2 dt by t square plus 6t plus 9. This is nothing but what? T plus 3 whole square, correct? This is nothing but t plus 3 whole square. So this will be integral of 2 dt by t plus 3 whole square. So integral of t plus 3 whole square is nothing but what? So this is of the form, here I can write it as, so therefore integral of 1 by x square dx will be equal to minus 1 by x plus c, correct na? Same reason I can write here, so this will become what? 2 times, minus 2 times 1 by 2 t plus 3 plus c, this is what I will have. Now this is what I will have, okay, this is what I will have equals, this is what I will have, okay, this is what I will have implies, this is what I will have. Now see here, now what will happen to this? Now see here, now what will happen to equation 3? Now equation 3 becomes, see here, now equation 3 becomes, so 1 by 25 into what is that? The final answer we have to write down, that's it, okay, 1 by 25. So see here, 1 by 25 log 3 sin x, log 3 sin x for plus 4 cos x plus 5, okay, plus 5, okay, plus 18x by 25, 18x by 25, plus this is what we have, plus this is what we have, this is c, t plus 3 plus c, but this actually is also equal to minus 2 times, what is that we have, minus 2 times this we are having. So see here, 2 by 5 is there, let us multiply by 2 by 5. So this will become what? Minus 2 into 2 by 5 into what is that? T plus 3. So see here, what I can do? 2 into 2. So 2 into 2, this will become minus 4 by 5, correct? This will become minus 4 by 5, okay, 4 by 5 and 1 by t plus 3. T is what actually? T is nothing but what? T is nothing but tan x by 2. So tan x by 2 plus 3. This is what I have finally. So this value I will put here, okay, this will become what? Minus 4 by, what is that? Minus 4 by 5 into tan x by 2, okay, plus 3, this entire thing plus c, okay, this is the final answer, friend, this is the final answer, okay, this is the final answer for this question, okay, this is what we'll have, this is what we'll have, this is the final answer to this question, clear? So this is the final answer to this question, therefore you have to write the question, okay, you have to write here what you have to write. So see here friends, therefore you write it, write down the thing, that is what they have given in the question, okay. So see here, I can move it like this. This is what we will have. Therefore, integral of what is it? Integral of what is that? Integral of what is the question? So therefore, integral of what is the question? That is 2 sin x plus 3 cos x, okay, 3 cos x plus 4 divided by what is it? 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5, integral of this, okay, this will be equal to this one, okay, this entire thing will be equal to this one. This is the final answer, friends, clear? Of course it is very lengthy, I understand, but the conceptually it is very simple if you know the methods. Here we are using what? The first method, that is the first 2 types and also the last 2 types. First we have to use the last 2 types, then you will go to the first 2 types to get the one of the integral value, clear? So this is the thing we have to do, okay. First we have to do what? Comparing the coefficients, we have to get the value of a, b, c, and then we will solve the question accordingly, clear? So I told you while talking about methods of solving, rules for solving integration question, first we are solving trigonometric based question, because maximum times you will be getting, see there are 2 LAQs that will be coming from integration, out of that maximum possibility that you will be getting from trigonometry itself, trigonometry based questions only you will be getting, okay, trigonometric functions based questions only you will be getting in integration. But the other type is, that is algebraic, okay, algebraic expression based question, that also will be solving, but before that we will complete some other questions that are there based on trigonometric functions, okay, of integration, okay. So see here, let us see some questions. This is not the thing, these are all algebraic. Okay, so let us take up this question. So see here, they are asking us to evaluate see integral of 4 plus 5 sin x, okay, they are asking us to evaluate this one, integral of 4 plus 5 sin x, friends, integral of what? 4 plus 5 sin x, this is the thing that they are asking. So let us take up this question, integral of 4 plus 5 sin x, okay, again let us split it, okay, they are asking us to do integral of what is that? 4 plus integral of what is that? Integral of 1 by 4 plus, correct na, 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x, that is integral of 1 by, that is 1 by, okay, 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x. That is the question. 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x. The question is integral of 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x dx. This is the question that they are asking. Okay, this is the question that they are asking. Solution. Given integral is, you have to write down. Given integral is. What is that there again? Let us write it. Given integral is integral of 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x dx. Okay, this is equation 1. Put, you have to see, this is of the form a sin x plus b cos x, this is similar to that. So what we will do, here we will put, see, if it is single angle, that is normal angle sin x, then we will put tan x by 2. If it is double angle, we will put t is equal to tan x. This you have to remember. Okay, what we will do? We will do, put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Okay, what will happen to sin x? So sin x will become what? Sin x will become 2t by 1 plus t square, and here cos x is not required because cos x is not there. So what will happen to dx? Dx will be 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay, so in equation 1, so this will become what, friend? This will become integral of 1 by, what will happen? 4 plus 5 sin x. Sin x will become what? Sin x is nothing but 5 into, this is 2t by 1 plus t square. Okay, dx is nothing but what? 2t, this is 2 dt by 1 plus t square, by 1 plus t square. This is entire thing within bracket, 1 plus t square. Now let us take the LCM. This will become what, friends? This, let us take 2 outside. So this implies 2 dt by 4 into 1 plus t square, 4 into 1 plus t square, okay, 1 plus t square, plus 5 into 2 is, 5 into 2 is 10, 10t divided by 1 plus t square will be the LCM. Here I'll have 1 by 1 plus t square, correct. Now this and this I can cancel. Now what I'll have? 2 dt. See here, I'll have, just a minute, this implies, so integral of 2 dt by, what is that I'll have? 4 into 1 plus t square is 4 plus 4t square, okay, 4 into 1 is 4, 4t square plus 10t, this is what I'll have, 10t, okay, this is what I'll have, friends. So 2 times, this is what I'll have, okay, 2 times integral of dt, 4 into 4 plus 4t square plus 10t, this is what I'll have, friends. Clear? This is what I'll have to be having. Okay, so see here, observe carefully. Now what we have to do? We have done in the yesterday's class that we have to do the completing the square method. So for that, the coefficient of t square should always be 1, that is positive 1. So here 4 is there, I have to take 4 outside. So this will become what, friends? This implies 2 by 4 if I take it outside, integral of dt, 4 if I take it outside, this will become what? This will become, what is it? This will become t square, okay, t square plus 10 by 4t plus 1, okay, 10 by 4t plus 1. This can be written as what? 5 by 2, okay, this can be written as what? 5. This is what? 1 by 2 it will become. This integral of 1 by 2, this will become 1 by 2 integral of dt by, what is it? T square plus 5 by 2t plus 1. Now this is what I'll have, this is what I'll have, see here, this is what I'll have. Now what I should do? Coefficient of t is 5 by 2, you have to multiply by half, that whatever value you have to get, you will get, you have to square and add it and subtract it, the value, okay. So this I'll get it as what? 5 by 2, half into 5 by 2, half into 5 by 2 is what, friends? 5 by 4, you have to square it, okay, you have to square it. So this will become what? You have to add and subtract it from this one. So this will become what? This implies 1 by 2 integral of, this is dt by, okay, t square plus 5 by 2t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square plus 1, okay, this is what I have, t square plus 5 by 2t plus 5 by 4 whole square. So this will become what? T plus, what is this? It will become t plus 5 by 4 whole square. This will become what? 1 by, integral of 1 by, so let me write it again. This will become what, friends? See here, this will become integral of, carefully out write it, 1 by 2 into integral of dt will be there as usual. So t plus 5 by 2 whole square, t plus 5 by 2 whole square. This is what? 5 by 4, this is 5 by 4 whole square is minus 25 by 16. This is what? Let me take it as what? Plus 1 is there, correct, this plus 1 is there. So this will become what? Minus 25 minus 25. If I take LCM, this will be plus 16. Okay, plus 16. This is what I have. Minus 25 plus 16. So this will become what, friend? This will become equal to 1 by 2 into integral of dt by what is this? T plus 5 by 2 whole square. Okay, t plus 5 by 2 whole square. Minus 25 plus 16 is, it is minus 9. 9 by 16. 9 by 16 I can write it as what? Minus 3 by 4 whole square. This is what I can write it. Minus 3 by 4 whole square. Correct na? Minus 3 by 4 whole square. So this is of which form? So if I talk about this, this is of which form? So this is of which form? If I talk about this, see here, this of, therefore this is of the form, this is of the form, okay, integral of 1 by, what is this? This is integral of 1 by x square minus a square dx. Okay, integral of 1 by x square minus a square dx. Correct? No, 1 by x square minus a square dx. So this value will be equal to what? 1 by 2 times a, 1 by 2 times a log of, what is it? First it is x minus a divided by x plus a. You have to please keep this in mind, plus c. This is of this type. Okay. Now what do we have here? So therefore this will become what? 1 by 2. Therefore we have, okay, 1 by 2 into, this will be equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2a. Okay, 2a. A is what here, friends? A is nothing but 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4. Okay, 2 into 3 by 4 into log of x is what here? X is nothing but t plus 5 by 2. T plus 5 by 2. Okay, log of t plus 5 by 2 minus a. Minus a is minus 3 by 4. Okay, minus 3 by 4. Correct? No? Minus 3 by 4. Okay, t plus 5 by 2. T plus 5 by 2. This is what? Not 5 by 2. Actually, it should be 5 by 4. No, this should be 5 by 4. This is 5 by 4. T plus 5 by 4. Okay, make a change here. T plus 5 by 4 by minus 3 by 4 by t plus 5 by 4. Okay, plus 3 by 4 plus c. Now see here, if I take LCM, this will become what? This is what I can do here. So see here, 2 2s are 4. 2 2, this is what? Here 2 2 I can cancel. So this will become what? 1 by 3 times log of, what is this I have? T plus 4t plus, what is this? 5 plus 5 minus 3. This is plus 2. 4 4 will cancel. 4t, what is this? 5 plus 3 is, this is 8. Okay, plus c. This is what I have. Now what I can do? 2 I can take common and cancel. So this will become 1 by 3 log of, what is that? 2t plus 1 divided by 2t plus 4 plus c. Okay, 2t plus 1 divided by 2t plus 4. Okay, 2t plus 4. 2t plus 4, correct? 2t plus 1 divided by 2t plus 4. This is what I will have. 2t plus 1 divided by 2t plus 4. Now what I will have? This is the value I will have. Now this t is nothing but what, friends? This t is nothing but tan x by 2. Tan x by 2. This is nothing but tan x by 2. So this will become equal to what? This will become equal to, so see here, this will become equal to 1 by 3 log of, what is that I have? 2 times tan x by 2 plus 1 divided by, what is it? 2 times tan x by 2 plus 4 plus c. This is the value. This is the answer that I will have. So you have to write the question and you write the answer like this. So this is the answer we will get, friends. Clear? This is the way you got to solve this question. Clear? Fine. So I hope it is clear. This is the way you have to solve this question. 1 by 3, 2 times log of 2 times tan x by 2 plus 1, 2 times tan x by 2 plus 4 plus c. This is the answer for this question. Actually this should be, if I take 2 outside, okay, 40 plus 4, this should be, okay, this is correct. Okay. Further I can take t outside, 2 outside here. This further I can take 2 outside here. This will become, see, further I can take 2 outside here. This will become, actually I can take 4 outside here. Okay, 4 outside here, t plus 2. Okay, so this is what I will have. So this is what I will have. So this is the tan x by 2 plus 2 plus c. Okay, clear? This is the way to solve this question. Now let us solve one more question of this type. So see here, what is the question that we have? Okay, so see here, observe the question that is given. So see here, this is the question that is given here. So this is the thing that we will be solving. Integral of dx by 5 plus 4 cos 2x. Integral of dx by 5 plus 4 cos 2x. So this is the question which we will be solving now. Integral of dx by 5 plus 4 cos 2x. So see here, integral of, what is that we have? Integral of dx by dx by 5 plus 4 cos 2x, dx by 5 plus 4 cos 2x. Okay, let us speed up. 5 plus 4 cos t. Here double angle formula is there, so we have to put what? Put, let this be equation 1. Okay, put tan x is equal to t and cos 2x will be equal to what? Cos 2x will be equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay, and dx will be equal to what, friends? Dx will be equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square, correct? No, 2 dt, I think 2 dt only. Okay, 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So actually if you put actually tan x is equal to t, it will not be 2 dt, it will be actually dt by 1 plus t square, it will be dt by 1 plus t square, it will be dt by 1 plus t square, it will not be 2 dt, it will become dt by 1 plus t square if you put the values. Okay, if you put tan x is equal to t, it will be dx will be equal to dt by 1 plus t square, but if it is tan x by 2 is equal to t, dx will be equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Clear? So let us solve this, let us put the values here. Okay, in what is it? In equation 1, we will put it in what? In equation 1. So we will get what? We get integral of dx by 5 plus 4 cos x will be equal to what is that? Dt by what is that? Dt by 1 plus t square, correct? No, 1 plus t square. So this is what you have. So 5 plus 4 into cos 2x is what? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. This is what we have. Okay, this is what we have, this entire thing within bracket. Okay, this entire thing within bracket. Now if you take the LCM, what we have? If you take the LCM, we will have 5 into 1 plus t square dt by 5 into 1 plus t square. Now we have what? 4 into 1 minus t square. So 4 into 1 minus t square I can write it as 4 minus 4t square. This is what I have, divided by what is this? I have 1 plus t square. Okay, this entire thing within bracket into what is this? This is 1 plus t square from the top, 1 by 1 plus t square dt by 1 plus t square. This and this I can cancel. Now I will be left with what? I will be left with this is, I will be left with, see here, I will be left with this one, see here. So we will have what? Integral of dt by what is that? 5 into 1 plus t square is what? 5 plus 5t square. Okay, I will have what? Plus 4 minus 4t square, plus 4 minus 4t square. So what I will have? 5t square minus 4t square is what? T square. This will be equal to integral of dt by t square. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, 5 plus 4 is 9. So this is of the form integral of dt by t square plus 3 square. So this is of what? This is of what? This is of, therefore this is of the form, this is of the form, this is of the form, observe very carefully, this is of the form, which form? So observe carefully, this is of the form integral of 1 by x square plus a square dx. So this is what, friends? This is nothing but equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, very important. Okay, tan inverse of x by a, this of this form. So therefore what will you get? Therefore integral of dx by 5 plus 4 cos x. Okay, let me write this at the end. Therefore we will have what? Therefore this will be equal to integral of what is that? After integrating this we will have what? 1 by a. 1 by a is what? 1 by 3 into tan inverse of x is what? X is what here? T. Tan inverse of t by 3 plus c. Tan inverse of t by 3 plus c. So therefore we will have what? Therefore we will have integral of dx by 5 cos 2x. Cos 2x, it is not cos x, cos 2x, very important. So this will be equal to what? 1 by 3 tan inverse of t. Instead of t, what I should write? T, instead of t I should put tan x. Tan inverse of tan x by 3. Okay, tan inverse of tan x by 3. So tan inverse of tan x by 3, the entire thing, this is the entire thing. Okay, tan inverse of tan x by 3 plus c. Okay, this is the final answer, friends. This is the final answer to this question. Clear? This is the way you got to solve this question. 1 by 3 tan inverse of tan x by 3, it is not tan inverse of tan x whole divided by 3, it is not that. Okay, tan inverse of tan x by 3 plus c. Clear? This is the way you got to solve this question. This is the way you got to solve this question, friends. Okay, so we are completely done with what? What are the things we have done? We have done with trigonometry type of question, that is trigonometry based integration LAQs we have done with completely. We have done away with that completely. Now we will focus on algebraic based. Focus on algebraic based. But before that, let me tell you the concept. Okay, let me tell you the concept that you have to know. So see here there are mainly 3 types. Okay, so algebraic. Okay, if I talk about algebraic, see here, algebraic, algebraic type. Okay, integration is on algebraic type. Okay, integration on trigonometry is done algebraic type. You will have like this. First is like this, px plus q divided by what is it? You will have ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, next step is what? Px plus q divided by what you will have? Square root of ax square. This is dx. Okay, you will have what? Ax square plus bx plus c dx. Next form is here, px plus q integral of square root of ax square plus bx plus c. This is what you will have into dx. This is what you will have, friends. So see here, for entire all of this, what you have to do? You have to put the numerator, that is px plus q will be equal to what? Same as the previous one, a into d by dx, a into d by dx of denominator. Denominator is what, friends? Here denominator is ax square plus bx plus c, plus here you will write just b into, you will not write denominator here, you will just write b, that's it. Okay, this is the form you have to remember, very important. This is the form you have to remember here. Px plus q is equal to a times d by dx into ax square plus bx plus c plus b. This is the form you have to remember here. Clear? So based on this, let us solve some questions. Based on this, let us solve some questions of what is that? Algebraic based. I think the second question is there. Okay, so this is the question we will take up. See here, look at this, friends. Integral of 2x plus 5 divided by, see here, integral of 2x plus 5 divided by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10. Square root of x square minus 2x plus 10. So this is what we have. Let us solve this question. Okay, let us do the partition again. So see here, what they are asking, integral of, what is the question? Integral of 2x plus 5 divided by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10. Square root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx is of this form. So this is what? So it is of the form px plus q divided by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Correct? So now 2x plus 5 is there. So what I should write? Now solution. So solution only I will take, solve. Solution. It is given. This is the thing. Determine this is equation 1. Okay. So let 2x plus 5 be equal to what? What is it? A into d by dx. D by dx of denominator. Denominator is what? X square minus 2x plus 10 plus b. Okay. Let us write this again. So this will be what? 2x plus 5 is equal to a into, derivative of this is what? This is 2x, a into 2x minus 2. Okay. What is that we have? A into 2x minus 2. Correct? No, a into 2x minus 2. The differentiation of that. A into 2x minus 2 plus b. You don't have to differentiate this. Just keep it like this. Now 2x plus 5 will be equal to 2ax minus 2a plus b. Okay, on comparing coefficients, you have to do the comparing coefficients here. On comparing coefficients, what do we get? We get coefficient of what? Coefficient of x is what? Coefficient of x is here 2a. Here x is what? Here x is 2. So we get 2a will be equal to 2. This implies what? This implies, therefore a will be equal to 1. 2 and 2 cancels. Okay. Now another thing is what? This is minus 2a plus b. This is what? Constant. Here constant is what? 5. So this will be 5. Now we will put a is equal to 1. Minus 2 into 1 is 2 only, minus 2 only, plus b is equal to 5. So this implies b is equal to what? 5 plus 2. So therefore b is equal to what? B is equal to 7. Therefore b is equal to 7. Now we got a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 7. Let us put these values here. So this will become what? This will become, therefore this will become what? See here. So this will become what? Therefore equation 1 becomes, okay, equation 1 becomes integral of what is that? 2x plus 5. Correct now? 2x plus 5 divided by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx will be equal to, numerator is equal to what we got? Numerator we have to put the value. A value is what? 1. Okay. So let this be equation 2. Okay. Equation 1 becomes, so put, on putting, so let us write this here. On putting a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 7. So this will become what? A is what? 1. So d by dx of what is this? X square minus 2x plus 10 divided by this denominator. This is what? square root of x square minus 2x plus 10 plus b is what friends? B is 7. 7 into this is what? Integral of this entire thing. Okay, this entire thing 7 into what is this? What is this we have? So let me write the integral sign here also. So see here, this is dx plus what is this we have? 7 into plus 7 into integral of 7 into or 7 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. This is what we have. Okay, this is what we have. Now see here, integral of x square minus 2x plus 10 divided by x square minus 2x plus 10. So this is what? Integral of f dash of x by square root of f of x. Integral of f dash of x by square root of f of x. So that is nothing but equal to what? 2 times square root of f of x. We did it in the yesterday's class. So this will be equal to what? This will be equal to 2 times square root of f of x. That is nothing but 2 times x square minus 2x plus 10. Okay, plus this we have to integrate 7 into 1 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10. Okay, x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. This is what we have. So this again we have to do what? We have to do the completing the square method. Here we have to write the reason. Therefore, very important. Therefore, integral of f dash of x by square root of f of x dx is nothing but equal to 2 times square root of f of x plus c. This is the reason you have to mandatorily you have to write it. Then only you will get the marks here. Okay. Now let us take this. Now let us take this. Now x square minus 2x plus 10. This can be written as what? This implies x square minus 2x. Okay. Let me add and subtract 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 10. So x square minus 2x plus 1, this is nothing but equal to what? This is nothing but equal to x minus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 10 is what? This is what? This is nothing but minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 10 is what? This will be plus 9. So this will be equal to what? This will be equal to x minus 1 whole square plus 9 is nothing but equal to what? 3 square. This is what friend? 3 square. Now let us transform this. Now this will become what? Now we have what? Integral of x square minus 2x plus 10. Now let us take that. Okay. Integral of, so see here. Now integral of 1 by, so see here, now integral of, what is that we have? So see here, now integral of 1 by square root of x square minus 2x plus root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx will be equal to integral of, what is it? Integral of 1 by, what is that we have? So this is x minus 1 whole square plus 3 square within the square root. Don't forget the square root. X minus 1 whole square plus 3 square. So this is what friends? This is x minus 1 whole square plus 3 square. Correct now? X minus 1 whole square plus 3 square. X minus 1 whole square plus 3 square. Correct? So this is what we have. Now this is what we have. Now what we have to do for this question? So this is nothing but equal to what? So these of the form, so see here, these of the form, what is it we have? Integral of 1 by this dx you have to write mandatory, 1 by square root of x square plus a square dx. This will be equal to what friends? This will be equal to what friends? So this would be equal to, sin h inverse of x by a plus c, sin h inverse of x by a plus c. So same thing, this would become equal to what? This would become equal to what? Sin h inverse of what is this? We have sin h inverse of x by a. X is what here? X minus 1, okay, divided by 3, okay, x by a plus c. Now this will become what? So therefore what we have? Therefore what is that we needed? So let me write it here. Therefore this will be equal to, what is the final answer we have? That is, this would be equal to, see here, this would be equal to, you have to put the value here, 2 times square root of x square minus x plus 10 plus 7 times, okay, 2 times square root of x square minus 2x plus 10, correct now? 2x plus 10 plus 7 times sin h inverse of x by a, that is x is what? X minus 1 divided by 3 plus c. This is the final answer friends. This is the complete final answer. This is the final answer to this question. Okay, write down this question here. Okay, it will be equal to this one. This is the final answer. This is the way you have to solve this question. This is the way you got to solve this question friends. Clear? This is the way you got to solve this question. Okay. So we have solved one question on, what is that? Algebraic based. Okay, we have completed trigonometric based type of question, that is trigonometric functions based type of questions. Okay, there are mainly two methods that we have to use. Okay, such type of questions already we have done today, yesterday's class and today's class we have done, and we have started with algebraic, that is there are 3 types, but we have to use the one simple method, that is px plus q will be equal to something. Okay, that is the thing we have to use, that is a times d by dx of denominator plus b, here b into no denominator. Okay, so please keep this in mind. So based on that we have solved one question. So in the next class, okay, in the tomorrow's class, we will be doing some more questions on algebraic identities and we will go for the reduction formula based question. Alright friends, thank you. Like this we will be solving all the LAQs of 2B and also important LAQs of 2A also. 2A we have already done most of the chapters, we are left with one of the chapter, that is random variables and probability distribution, that we will be doing it tomorrow. Alright friends, thank you, take care.